everyone, welcome to the fourth video of the Crochet Basics series. Today I will be showing you how to do the triple crochet and everything that comes with it. That includes the stitch itself, back loop only, front loop only, increases and decreases. And I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. Let's get started. So you're going to start a treble crochet with your yarn and your hook of choice. I'm using a 5mm. And we're going to start by making our slip knot. If you need help on how to make a slip knot, I explained that in the very first video of the playlist. So I'm going to make what I always make, which is a swatch of 15 stitches across by 6 rows. And to do that for a treble, I'm going to chain 18. Okay, so this is what you should have. So to start, I'm going to yarn over twice. Just like that. You're going to put your finger there to hold it in place. We're going to count 4 chains from our hook. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to be inserting in this one right here. So with our hook, we're going to insert into the 4th chain from our hook. So now we have 4 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through the first loop. And we still have 4 on our hook. Yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. Now we have 3. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now we have 2. Yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. And that's our first treble crochet. So to do the next one, we're just going to repeat this process of yarning over twice. Put our finger there to keep the loops from moving. Insert our hook into the very next chain. Yarn over, pull through 1. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. There's our next treble. So we're going to yarn over twice, insert our hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So I'm going to just repeat this process all the way down the chain, and you should end up with 15 triple crochets. Okay, so here's the finished triple crochet row. It's a really fun stitch. I like it a lot actually, and it makes it very easy to count the stitches. So to start your next row, you would just chain 3 begin our next one. So obviously we're not going to go into our chain 3, we're going to locate our first stitch, which is easy because you can see the hole here. So to do that, we're going to yarn over twice like we did in the first row, and we're going to insert our hook through the stitch so that the V is on the hook. So with that, we have 5 loops on our hook. So we're now going to pull through the entire stitch so that now we have 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. So let's do that again. We're going to yarn over twice, insert our hook into the next stitch, pull through the stitch, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. I'm just going to do this a few more times. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over twice, pull through the stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. So that's all there is to the triple crochet stitch. So now I'm going to show you how to do this stitch but in the back loop only. So we're going to yarn over twice, and as you can see, each stitch creates a V like I was talking about earlier. It's got a front loop which faces towards you when you crochet, and a back loop which faces away from you when you crochet. So with that being said, after yarning over twice, I'm going to insert my hook through just the back loop. So now I have 4 loops on my hook. So I'm going to yarn over and pull through that loop with 4 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. I'm going to do this a few more times so you can see the pattern it creates when we do this. So once again, I'm going to just insert my hook through the back loop, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2, yarn over twice, go into the back loop, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. So as you can see, when we do the back loop, it creates this texture because now the front loops are protruding from the piece. And obviously it looks a little different than the regular stitches from before. You had to do the front loop only, and as you can imagine, it's pretty similar to the back loop crochet. So we're going to yarn over twice, and this time instead of going through the back loop, we're going to loop through the front loop. So I'm just going to scoop up the front loop here, and then we're going to do what we have been doing this whole time. Yarn over twice, do the front loop, and make our triple crochet. Yarn over twice, and do that. Okay, so as you can see looking at the piece, it doesn't look a whole lot different from our original stitches here. But if we were to turn it around, it's the same thing as the back loop, only where now the back loops are coming out, creating that texture. So next, I'm going to show you a triple crochet increase, basically turning one stitch into two. So I'm going to yarn over twice, insert my hook into the next stitch, and create my triple crochet. Now I'm going to yarn over twice and into the same stitch, I'm going to insert my hook and make another triple crochet. And as you can see, I have 2 stitches in the same loop, and now if I were to just continue with my regular stitches, it would turn my 15 stitches into 16. Now to do a triple crochet decrease, we're going to yarn over twice, insert our hook into the next stitch. We're going to pull through that stitch, leaving 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and this leaves 2 loops on our hook. We're now going to yarn over twice, insert our hook into the next stitch, pull through the stitch, leaving 5 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. We now have 3 loops on our hook, so we're now going to yarn over and pull through the remaining 3 loops, just like that. And that's all there is to that. I'm going to now take out this row, and I'm going to redo it with a regular row and do it for a total of 6 rows, and I'll meet you back to show you a completed swatch of the triple crochet. Okay, so here's the completed 15 stitch by 6 row swatch. Now if I were to finish this swatch, which I'm not going to because I don't want to waste the yarn, all I would do is yarn over and pull through, and then I would cut however long of tail I would need for my project, and when I did that, I would just pull all the way through, and this would create a knot securing my project. I really hope you guys have been enjoying this series so far, and I'm now going to conclude with the basic stitch portion of this series, and now I'm going to move on to basic shapes. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel and my videos, and I really do appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!